Hello, this is Elena for Trinity Stamps. Let's take a closer look at the Poinsettia Stamp Set at dies that's part of the Treetop and Trimix holiday release. This is 4x4 stamp. It is one single individual stamp. It's this large poinsettia. I'll put it on a piece of A2 wired cardstock panel so you can see it more clearly. Also, sold separately, they're coordinating dies, and there are 4 dies in the set that cut different layers from the image. So you can use those to layer and create more dimensional look of your poinsettia. You can use just the outline, or you can use also the individual layers as individual flowers to get different size poinsettias for any of your holiday crafting ideas. So I'm just lining up all these dies on top of the flowers so you can see how those line up. So now let's take a look at the cutout images. We have the first layer, which is the base layer. And then we have all the additional layers that you can put on top for a more dimensional look. You can use this flower for any size cards, A2 mini slimline, slimline 5x7, or any other card sizes you would like to use it to. Now let's layer those up so you can see how they line up together. So we have the base, the first, second, and the center. So here I have A2 size panels. Just to see for reference, you don't need to be limited to A2 cards, as you can see just in a second from our creative team card samples. So you can put it on the side, in the center, in the edge. So here are a few samples. This is A2 card, as well this one. Then we have a mini slimline and another mini slimline card. Then we have a standard slimline card. And also we have a 5x7 card. Thank you so much for stopping by and watching. See you soon. Bye!